I'd go in my underwear. I won't go naked. I'll go naked. You go naked?
I started joking around him.
Where's he going?
Andy and Neil called me out on it.
What? Sam's jumping in the marsh?
The hell with it. I'm going in.
And sure as he went got his trunks.
Feels good.
We just finished touches on this 175 Mercury EFI that just got rebuilt. Just finishing up with final touches and making sure things are going to be happy go around.
Hot. Horrible. I feel like everything's stuck to me. By the end of the day, I might be naked. It's goddamn hot out.
Pulling the motor off of this one, putting a different one on it. This tired old horse is coming off and we're putting on a 175.
Baby, baby.
What do you got going here? This fine specimen of a motor here had bad fuel line. Get rid of it. It's gonna cause you nothing but pain and a lot of money out of your pocket. So all the liner pieces that we talked about in our tech tip made its way into the fuel pump and into the carburetors. So I have to take everything off, clean them, and replace with kits and stuff like that, and replace this fuel line and bulb. So there's the tech tip again for you boys and girls. You got that gray fuel line, get rid of it. It's shit. That will raise havoc on a lot of things.
What are you working on now?
I dropped my second power head on for the day, number 2. Get her on, fire it up, hopefully you'll come get it, get me paid. It's a good way to end a Friday. need a big fan. I need a big industrial. Big ass fans, if you're listening, I need help. I need a fan up there, so that way I can get some airflow. Any industrial fan company, get us a hookup so we can at least get a fan in this building. I'm too cheap to buy one, but I'll promote the hell out of it if you get me one. It was 88 when I started this morning at 6. It's over 100 degrees in here right now. We need help.
It's hot as balls.
How hot is it out?
It's supposed to be like 100 today. So hot at one point today that my shirt was so soaked in sweat that I decided just to peel it off and work topless. I had to lose my shirt soaked in sweat. It's too f***ing hot. I started joking around about jumping back in the pond behind the shop, and then Andy and Neil called me out on it. They didn't think I'd do it. Then I remembered I had a pair of swimming trunks in the truck, so I said, to hell with it, I'm going in.
What do you think, Neil? Is he gonna do it?
I don't think he's got a hair on his ass. Let me go do that.
I bet you there's shops that are closed down today because it's this hot. I mean, look at Neil. He's a big son. He's hot right now. I don't know if are you as hot as I am? Why am I sweating so bad? I ain't got no hair on my head and I'm sweating. And you got fuzz everywhere.
I got fuzz everywhere. I got a lot of body fat, so I'm just drenched.
Look. I understand where he's going with it. Obviously, we're all hot. I mean, everything's sticking to everything. But Sam jumping in there, I mean, that's his own prerogative. Whatever he wants to go in by the loon crap and the duckwort and the fish biting his little worm, have at it. I don't care.
Hey! I'm going in. Going in where? Pond.
What? Sam's jumping in the marsh?
What are your thoughts on Sam jumping in?
I don't know how nasty that marsh is, so we'll see if Sam comes out with, I don't know, some kind of disease or rash, or maybe a snapping turtle attached.
I'm not going to get mad at him because it is hot out today. Where's he going?
Found a spot.
He's going to go try to go right over the bank right there. Duck it fishing.
Yeah.
What's this sign say over here? Sammy, you're fucked.
Says no dumping.
Violators will be prosecuted.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, there's a hole there.
If you move that tree, you could jump in here every day.
Feels good. Yeah. There's gotta be fish in here. I need a fucking inner tube.
If I was a bet man, I wouldn't think he'd do it. But I told him he didn't have a hair in his ass, and sure as shit, he went got his trunks and he threw them on and he went for a dip.
I didn't get to see it. Did he jump? I don't know if he jumped. He should have jumped. Maybe he just waded in? I don't know.
That's a total Sam move.
How was it?
It was nice and cool. I would have put my head under if it wasn't for all the duckweed on top.
You and me dancing in slow motion. You and me and all that we are. You and me dancing in slow motion. You
How's your experience?
Refreshing. Very refreshing.
Well worth it?
Gotta stay hydrated today.
I don't know what other shops go through. I don't know what other shops deal with, but like I said, my guys stick with me in minus 40, and my guys stick with me in 120. And that, to me, it means more than probably anything. I drove by another shop today, their service department was closed down here in La Crosse. My guys stayed working. Granted, your productivity probably isn't as high as it needs to be, but they know what their jobs and their tasks are at hand, and they get them done. And for me to have that kind of support from those guys, that means a ton as an owner, to know that at 120 or minus 40, they're gonna be here. Stay tuned for the next episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to witness the madness that we call speed, money, and no brakes.
Say something like,
To go naked? You're right. I don't have a hair in my ass to go naked. I'd go in my underwear. But I wouldn't go naked.
I'll go naked.
You go naked? You don't got a hair in your ass. I want to see it right now.
I'll sit right there and do my spine naked.
All right. Damn it. There's got to be a bet on that.
What the fuck is that noise? Something just kick on? Like a fan? Something just turned on.